Alright guys, we're about 3/4 mile in. Still got about 3 miles to go. Should clear up when we get up there, so good stuff. We got to figure out how to get across this. Alright, starting to get some elevation gain now. There's Stash. It's very pretty out here. Trying to beat the sun before we get to the rock field because it gets super hot in there. All right, we're 700 vertical right now. You can tell I'm breathing pretty heavily. A ways to go. All right, guys, 2 mile update. Got through the brutally humid field of bushes. Now we're kind of on a little flat part for a break. And there's the mountain we're climbing, Sperry Peak. So enjoy this, and then we got to go through Healy Pass. All right, guys, we're making our way through the rock field. Finally got a second wind, which is nice. And the sun should be coming out once we get up there. So we'll see you guys up there. All right, guys, we're about 1,000 vertical up now. We're gonna make our way through the boulder field here, up Healy Pass. So far, so good. First part was pretty hard. First mile hiking is always hard. Your body's not used to it and your heart rate. But we'll see you up there in a bit. There's Adam. Sun's coming out. Hopefully we'll get some blue skies at the top. Highly recommend this hike if you're physically in hiking shape. It's about 3,900 vert. So, but it's definitely got the great views. All right, guys, we made it up. We are now going to go up Healy Pass. Pretty steep. And then once we get up there, there should be a lake. It's usually covered in snow. And then we'll do the scramble. So we'll film the scramble going up because it's pretty cool. Hopefully it clears up. But here we go. I'll just keep quiet here. Let you enjoy. It's my brother. My other brother's way down there. Stairmaster. Oh shit. Slept.
Yeah, baby.
Oh man. Yeah. All right, guys, last little bit of the pass. This thing is no freaking joke. Super steep. The good news is it's cool. If you do this when the sun's beating, it is 10 times harder. So, hopefully it clears up when we get to the top of Sperry. Oh, all right, guys, last little bit. We gotta wait for my older brother. It's hard, but it's worth it. Here we are. Look at that. So that's Vesper Peak. We made it top of Healy. Wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thumbs up. How clear this water is. You could probably drink this. It's the top of Sperry. Oh, a little marmot. I don't know where it is. All right, we got sunshine, finally. Perfect timing. Pretty pretty bright, Adam.
Yeah, I put my sunglasses on.
Gosh, I don't even know if these ones are good enough.
Hey, if it gets warm, I'm gonna ice bath it.
You should have brought the skis, eh?
You want to carry your skis up that fucking?
All right. So I was wrong. Sperry's actually up there. So we're gonna traverse. We're gonna go around the lake, and then we're gonna go up that ridge line. Amazing how much snows up here. It's almost July. And the Vesper's up there. Glad the sun came out, Adam.
That airplane.
We are going to set up some lunch here. Beautiful. There's the lake. This fell. I mean, you're kind of right. We're both right. There's the lake. Beautiful.
Hey, let's get up on that rock band up there, Roddy.
All right, guys, we are making our way to the top of Sperry. So we just gotta go around this lake, up that right there, and then follow that ridge line to the top. Whoops. Unfortunately, Stash isn't gonna make it. He's gonna wait down here for us. Look how turquoise this water is. How cool is that? We decided we don't want to go to the top because we don't want our brother to wait an hour and a half for us. So still a good hike, still good views, 3,000 vertical, scenic. We'll do it next time for you. How about that? Signing off, gang.